In this episode, it's an ode to the Fairmont, but it isn't Project Low Fairmont. Welcome to the channel. My name's Korean Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, where I like to focus on budget-minded, relatable, creative builds. Well, something I like to call offbeat hot rodding. And today, I'm going to show you some more footage I caught from Saturday's streetcar takeover. And I actually had a chance to interview one of Corey's good friends, Steven, who goes to a lot of the shows with him. And Steven has restored his very own 1979 Ford Fairmont. It was a pleasure to speak to him, kind of bounce some ideas off of him. It's nice having another local source who knows what works and what doesn't on these cars. But with that, let's get into that interview.
I'd seen Fairmonts before, kind of liked them. Actually, the kind of inspiration of this one was Carcraft magazine does a thing like Real Street Eliminator every year. Quite a few years ago, they had done one, and there was a Fairmont that won the overall competition. They do some drag and handling and this and that. And it was a white one, over wheels, 302 or whatever, and it's done up. This is actually the second attempt at the Fairmont that I've done. I had one years ago, younger, no money, da-da-da. That one never got done.
Basically my Fairmont.
This was, I'd gotten rid of my Mustang, this and that. I didn't have a toy, I wanted a toy. So it came down to Ford Falcon, old rounded 60-63 Falcon, short bed Ford, or Fairmont. So I'd already had one, didn't get to finish it. Stumbled across this one literally like 2 weeks before I was supposed to get married. Talked to the guy and this and that, made a deal. $400, brought it home. Did some talking, shook hands. Like I said, I'm interested in it, but all my money is tied up in a wedding in 2 weeks. So he's like, shake my hand, it ain't going anywhere. Okay. So brought it home, drove it for about a year or so. Has the brown straight 6-cylinder column shift automatic that it was. And then changes happened, and it went through a rebirth. The car was literally stripped down to bare nothing. No wiring, no nothing. Had a chance to do some media blasting, body work, got all that straightened out, and became what you see before you, or behind you now. The paint scheme, basically, it is the Bullet Fairmont, because after some other color choices, ideas that didn't work, didn't care for, just ended up stumbled across the green, thought about the Bullet Mustang. So it's loosely based off the Bullet Mustang, hence the word Bullet and the way it's done. By the same token, I deal with ammo, so Bullet is dual meaning, and as he'll show you in some of the video and the valve covers and the thing, a friend of mine designed me the little logo, so it looks like Bullet Mustang type font, but I'm using my take on it to go along with the ammo aspect. Drivetrain right now is a roller motor late model 306, 30 over, 302 30 over, 11.1 compression motor. It has Patriot heads on it, torque to 2 intake, and a Holly 650 carburetor on it right now. Aluminum radiator, twin fans, trying to keep it cool. Late model Mustang K member in it to put the V8 in it. You can do it with the 6, but you have to do some cutting, and they use truck mounts and stuff like that. Mustang T5, standard T5 out of anything Fox body.
Alright, now we got the
seats are out of a 79 pace car. They're Caros. Had them recovered the front and back recovered to match, like the gray theme that's in the door panel. It does have the power windows. I actually found a car here in Kansas City in a local salvage yard that happened to have power windows. I could not even find pictures of the regulators and stuff. I had to literally stumble across one here in KC that had it, power windows all. So it has power windows and power locks. At this point, really only the am I moving too much? At this point, only the power windows are functional.
RC event.
I have to get into some geometry in this and figure out what's going on with power locks. It actually does have a powered trunk. I sold the latch there because it's not a Mustang and wired up, so I do have a quick release. I'm running late model Cobra brakes, so they should be, if I remember right, 13-inch up front. Have the good PBR Cobra calipers. And back, I'm running Lincoln Mark 7 stuff. I'm actually on an SN95 rear end, so a little wider, which created a couple issues, but later on was fixed by finding axles out of I think they might have been out of the X4. A friend of mine, if you're walking around the Opal Manta over in the VIP area. He took that rear and built everything up and gave me his axles. And so one day I finally started checking axle length. His axles were like a quarter-inch shorter than what I had in the car, which moved everything in just enough that I was no longer rubbing because I used to rub right here. You know, everybody talks about rolling the fenders. I'm still too wide. I'm still rubbing. So by getting the shorter axle, all I had to do is brought it in, and with the calipers and stuff, all I had to do is literally move it from the outside of the axle flange to the inside of the axle flange. I think they're 94, 95. They're 17 by 7. They bolt right up. The spacing's real good. I do have some 16 Mustang wheels I run on them. I usually put these wheels back on. With those, I do have to use a 1-inch spacer to space them out because they're like 6 or something. And when I had those on, it looked like I was running donuts in the back because they were tucked so far in.
Well, Steve, thanks for your time and thanks for showing us your Fairmont. Just want to give you guys a reminder, Car Guy and 6 Van Show live stream. Old Car Auto Guy, if you're not already following him, do that because we do switch off every other episode on whose channel hosts. This week it will be on my channel, but Straight 6 Van Pistons tee, link in the description below to my Spreadshirt store if you want one of those. But hey, I think that'll wrap it up for this episode. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. I don't really care which one you do, as long as you do one of them. That'll do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.